yeah, Arby's is open.
What's up, everyone? Today, the day after the hurricane passed. Today's Thursday, the 29th, September 29th. Haley and I decided to ride down, well, we decided to go get Chick-fil-A, and then we were gonna ride down to Pine Island to see what happened down there. Cause you know, it's always worse by the water. So we only had a few branches down at the house, and one of my plants got knocked over. I mean, the pot got knocked over, so it wasn't too bad. So we get down here and we're fixing to pull into Chick-fil-A and they're not open. I'm ready to bawl because that sounded so good.
We can go get Arby's.
Arby's?
Yeah, Arby's is open.
I have never seen, besides on a Sunday, I have never seen Chick-fil-A this dead.
It's completely empty.
Can you see it? Oops, it's all cricket.
Cricket.
It's all cricket. Yeah, it's completely empty. I don't know what all you're seeing. Anyways. Now we're trying to figure out, we were just gonna get a sandwich and go down to Pine Island. We're gonna eat our sandwich and wow. And then get out and oh, there's a kitty.
Oh,
he's a calico.
It's a baby.
Aw. She's gonna try to get him.
Slow down.
He's gonna go out into the road. Is there a bunch of them?
There's
Oh,
so
no
pretty.
way. Is there a bunch of them? I was gonna pull up.
Don't move anymore.
Aw. Another rescue. Are you kidding me? I gotta take you guys down for a minute. Oh my God, it let her come right up to it. Is there more underneath? Oh wow, guys. I'm gonna park the rest of the way. Oh, is it up to you? Oh, I thought it was up to her. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna take you guys. I gotta take you off this tripod. It's probably sad, guys, because Chick-fil-A's closed today. I'm gonna get out with Haley. Grateful for our blessing. Chick-fil-A is closed. Oh, did it go up underneath there? I thought you had it. I have to start putting cat food in my car. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I know. It was going up to Chick-fil-A looking for some food. So it's living up underneath that sign. You want me to drive you over to Save a Lot to get a can of food?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's so scary.
Oh, the poor thing. Wonder how many, what if it had babies?
I don't know.
It looks kind of scrawny.
I
Did you
feel
think
like
it looks
people kinda
scrawny?
just dump their cats out here. And it's
They do. All right, guys, I guess we're going to Save a Lot to get a can of cat food. What is that laying in the road right there?
a piece of a
Oh. Chick-fil-A's closed. All right, let's go, guys. I gotta wind you back up on the other tripod. All right, everyone. Excuse me. We're gonna drive over to what's closest. Just Save a Lot. It's probably better just
What's
to go.
right in here?
I don't think there's anything in here to get it. Poor little baby. I have got to put food in the back of my car. Everywhere I go, even when I go to cemeteries, guys, I see animals. I need to put cat food in my car. Yeah, I don't, Home Goods, Home Office Depot, Spirit Halloween, Haley. You want to go play?
It's Spirit Halloween.
And they're probably not even open. I mean, that parking lot is empty. I should turn them around.
Marshall's has like a little bit of everything. They might have like a candy.
Oh, let's just go right over here to Save a Lot. It's right there.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Save a Lot's only right over there. If we go into Marshall's, we're gonna want stuff. And I don't want to go in. You want in this video with me?
Maybe.
I could turn it towards you, but you never want the camera on you, so. We're still going to Pine Island. I guess we're just gonna have to get something else. I don't know. I could get an Arby's sandwich. What are you thinking?
Yeah.
I really don't want McDonald's or Wendy's. Ew. I mean, I could do Wendy's, but I don't want it.
We can get Arby's. I'm good with Arby's.
I could get a French dip at Arby's. Hopefully it's
I
good.
want their boneless wings and
I wonder if they closed last night.
Arby's?
Yeah, I mean, I wonder if they were closed yesterday.
It's calico, so it's probably a little girl.
It probably is.
Calicos are usually female.
Oh, that's Belle's. Is there Save a Lot here? Yeah.
If it is a calico baby girl, we have an orange baby boy at home.
Yeah, we're not taking it. We can't. We can buy it some food, but we can't. We got 5 freaking cats. And then over the hurricane, guys, we had 6 cats, 2 dogs, and 1 dog was gigantic. Angie's dog is so big.
Gigantic.
He is, compared to Louie, Angie's dog is really big.
Okay.
Okay.
Huge. Ginormous.
Just get a little teeny can. Don't have any money.
No.
I don't guess I have any money, like cash money. I thought I might, but I don't guess I do. Maybe. No, can't use that. Alright, we can't use that. That's not mine. Thought I had some dollar bills. I'll talk to the fans. Just get a little can.
Okay.
Alright, okay. Oh, guys, we could have... Hey. They're not open. Oh, Lord. Haley, we could go over to Dollar Tree.
I think it's closed.
I know it's closed. I just seen that. Damn. Well, the cat might not get no food. Everybody's closed.
Isn't there a Dollar General right down here?
There is a Dollar General right down there. But is it going to be open?
There's people at it.
I didn't even put my seatbelt back on. Dollar General doesn't close for nothing. And they don't pay their employees very well.
You're only biased because I worked there.
Well, I mean, you know, they should pay more than $10 an hour. They expect you to do everything in the store. Like, sometimes you're almost the only one in the store. And they only want to give you...
the only one in
and
the
they
store.
only want to give you $10 an hour.
$10.50.
Oh, $10.50?
Correct.
Okay, you got that extra 50 cents.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this is teeny, isn't it?
Yep. Open every day. See, it's open.
Yeah, even through a hurricane. Hey, you know what you could do? You got your ID with you? Get Tyler a carton of cigarettes. I'll go get them later. You'll get the wrong ones. Never mind. Just.
I'm not 21 yet.
Oh, you have to be 21 to buy cigarettes? Oh.
In December, Graham.
Okay, I'm sorry. Cat food then. Alright, guys. We are going to turn around. I don't think I've ever been in this Dollar General. Lots of parking down here at the end. I don't think I've ever been here. So I should have filmed a little bit at the house Angie and little Tyler and the dog came over, and then Henriette and her cat came over. It all turned out really good. Everything was good. I made tacos the one night for everybody. And the first night that they came over, I think everybody just kind of fended for themselves. And then the second night, I made the tacos. And Angie hung out on the back porch a lot with her dog, because her dog and Louie looked like they were going to tear each other up. I mean, their teeth. One was in the big dog was in the cage. Louie was on the outside of the cage. The big dog was going at Louie. Louie was going right back. Louie thought he was going to be able to handle that big dog. That big dog would have tore him up. Oh my God. It's funny now to think back. It wasn't funny at the time, because I was like, oh my God, if he got out of that cage, he could kill somebody. But when I go to her house, you know, he comes up to me and he'll jump on me the first time, and I'll tell him to get down. And he lets me pet him and everything. It's just because of other animals. But that dog is not used to being around other animals. I think she rescued that dog. But yeah, we had all the cats. Then Una got out the second night. Last night, Una got out. And finally, I seen her, and I kind of went, psst, and she went running into my bedroom. So I knew if I shut my door, I would be able to get a hold of her eventually. And so I did. I took some Snapchats of her sitting over by my closet. And I was able to get up and pretend like I was going like, come here, Bella. Like I was going to grab Bella. And then that's when I grabbed Una and got Una back in Haley's room, because for a while she was hiding in the living room. And I didn't want the dog to, you know, she never let the dog get out into the house, but when she did, she got him out and took him outside. But I was just worried about the animals. You know, it probably brought up their anxiety. Una's already skittish about everything, and then Henriette's cat was being real skittish, and it went up underneath the cedar chest, and that's where Una had stayed when Una got loose. So it all turned out good. Angie got up and left. Shoot, I was still in bed. I stayed up. Everybody went to bed. I stayed up really, really late. I mean, it was, I guess I just kind of wanted to make sure the storm was gone. The house was fine. Everybody in the house was fine. Everybody was sleeping except for me. I think I went to bed close to 5 or 6 in the morning. I slept till 12:45 p.m. Angie was getting ready to leave, and Tyler's like, are you going to get up and go say goodbye to her? I said, just tell her to come in here. And she just hollered, Mom, I'm leaving. Anyways, here comes Haley. So we got a can of cat food. And I guess we're taking it back to that cat. You guys can go with us. Nope, I didn't even put my seatbelt back on. All right, I'm going to flip you guys around so you guys can see where we're going. Oh, wait, that's not.
They were like out of everything.
Were they? Even cat food?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I mean. Like, there was like no cat food.
Oh, wow.
But there's been a cat food shortage since I used to work at Dollar General. So.
How much was a can of cat food?
It was $1.
Oh, well, that ain't bad. Oh, you got 2 of them? What are you going to do?
No, it's only 1.
It's 2. You break it in half.
Yeah, but I figured I'd just do both.
This is what we got, guys. I know you can't see it now that I got you in the window. All right, let me put my wallet away. Let me put this away.
And breakfast aren't that bad either.
No?
Turkey, chicken, poultry liver.
Here we go.
Water, poultry broth.
All right, guys, here we go. That was the Dollar General to the left. The Bell's Outlet that I like to go to. One of them. There's 3 of them in this town, or around this town, that are not far away. The Bell's Outlet that I like to go to is right up here on the left. And I think that's the only thing I do in this plaza, is the Bell's Outlet. Sometimes Save a Lot. Save a Lot's right there to your left. But it looks like they're closed too. It's crazy. Everybody brought out all their stash and their savings to go load up their refrigerator. You know, people were loading up their refrigerator with meat and stuff. I mean, if we had lost power, we'd have been without power for a week.
It's because people were saying they're going to have hurricane barbecues.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah, they were going to have giant barbecues.
Oh, well, I don't know. That was just kind of crazy. I'm like, I would not be filling up my freezers.
I mean, think about it. The grill works.
Well, I know.
So.
But you can't keep the stuff frozen.
No, but it doesn't have to be frozen. You cook it.
I'm going to
all of it.
Holy cow.
Ouch.
Yeah, but I didn't have a bunch of money to go buying food and just to thaw it all out and eat it or cook it in one day. Guys, what I did was I took like 15 bottles of water and I put them in the freezer and froze them on top of the food. That way, if we did lose power, it would have stayed cold longer, hopefully, to get the power back. We did lose internet and we were without it for over 24 hours. But that's the only thing that we lost. We're back at Chick-fil-A. Feels like a Sunday, doesn't it? I wonder if the kitty's out.
Go slow.
Like, guys, he was right under that sign right there. You're gonna open both of them up and put them there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna get out with the camera too.
Okay.
Alright, guys, I'm just gonna leave you on that tripod. It's the Velcro one. The one I have Velcroed to my dashboard.
Don't forget the key.
I got the key. She's afraid we're gonna get locked out. Alright. Kitty, 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 kitty. Break them in half and maybe you can put one on each side. Show them what we got. It was like a Shiba. She's gonna put one under there. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, you're putting it out there? You want to put the other one up the side? All right. Yeah.
Don't litter, guys.
I'm not littering. There's a garbage can right over there. So she's going to put the other one up the side. Aww. I wonder how many cats are up under there, Haley. It would be cool if we could just put the camera up and watch them come out. Here. See the garbage can over there? Oh, you okay? Oop. Well, I littered. It's right over there. That poor thing. It looked like Bella, but it was a pastel color calico. I think she should have pushed it under a little bit more. Yeah, there's wipes in the car. Aww. We can come back and check and see if the food's gone after we leave the Pine Island if you want. You want to do that?
Yeah, I guess so.
Alright, we're gonna leave and I'm sure it's gonna come out and get food. Do you think you should push it under anymore?
No.
No? Alright. Alright guys, we're going to get some food and going to Pine Island. Alright everyone, we got Arby's and we are headed to Pine Island. This road out here that we're turning on usually floods. And a lot of times they have it closed off. It was probably closed off the other night. Oh, look how low the water is to our left.
Yeah, it is pretty low.
If you was to go off this road, guys, you would end up in the water. Everybody's coming out here to sightsee. Look at that. I've never seen it that low on the right-hand side, guys. Never seen it that low. Even at low tide, I've never seen it that low. Wow. Do you remember when I let you drive out here? And you went around this corner up here? That was funny. I mean, it wasn't funny, but I think about it now and it was funny. Bad thing about flooding, guys, is alligators will end up where they don't belong. Oh, is the road closed off? Alligators, dolphins, a lot of times end up where they don't belong, or they end up on a sandbar.
There were sharks swimming down the road in Fort Myers.
Sharks were swimming down the road in Fort Myers? Oh, wow. Yeah, they end up where they don't. Yeah, where they don't belong. Is this person fishing? There's no water. There's hardly any water. There's some beautiful houses out here. So many pretty houses. But if you don't evacuate, the authorities will not be able to get out here and help you until after the storm is over and the roads open back up. So that's why they tell people to evacuate. See that buffalo chicken. Haley got buffalo chicken sandwich. I got a French dip. We're gonna eat when we get here. Well, I'm gonna eat when we get here. Take your time eating, Haley, because you know how slow I eat. Look at the beautiful house to the right. I would love to live out here. Oh, it would be so cool to live right out here. Oh my gosh, that place is gorgeous.
We just had a giant hurricane. I would love to live out here.
Wouldn't you like to live out here? Oh my gosh, that's what we go through with the kayaks. We would never even get through. The water's that low. I bet you down the canal it's low then. We need to stop and see. Where's that pullover? It's right here. Oh my.
Oh damn. Yeah, it's really low.
Is this the one where we went under?
I don't know.
I'm gonna stop and show you guys. It might be the next one that we cut. Oh shoot! I can't get. There's too much shit in the way. I can't even get the. I'm gonna show you guys. We fish right there. Tyler fishes there sometimes. Oh wow! This is never like this. I mean, there's a little bit of water down there. Look at the ocean out there. I think this might not be the right one. Holy cow, the wind is blowing. I'm glad I put on long pants. Everybody's going out there. Check it out. Look at that. I mean, it's usually up over that. We come down the canal and I'm trying to think, this might not be the spot. It might be the next corner. I'll stop up there if it's the next corner, but we're gonna go on down to Pine Island. The wind is blowing and it's chilly. It's real chilly. Oh my goodness, the wind's blowing like crazy, Haley.
Yeah, we're down by the water.
I don't think this is the one where we took the kayaks to. I think it's the next corner. What do you think? Let me see if I can get you guys back up here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna have to film with my
token curly fry.
With my cell phone down here because I don't want sand getting in my camera.
This is all the fries.
That's all that's left? Well, I only ate like 3.
You have more than 3?
Liar.
I'm not.
Oh, this is probably the one we went under. This is, oh my God, look at that, look at that.
It's the power line. Ooh,
oh my God, the power line's down real low.
It's in the tree. Be careful, Graham.
I will, it's in the tree though. Alright guys, this is the one. We come down that canal, so there is water. Let me cross the road. We come down this canal from Pine Island and we go under this bridge. God, it stinks out here. The water is low. We go under this bridge and then I'm going to show you, but you see that power line down? That's dangerous. That whole power line's down. So I mean, it's not touching the ground yet, but it's dangling. See, we would hit a sandbar up there. Oh wow, that's scary. And we come under this, and then we go out there to the main ocean, and then we go over to the left, and we end up back at Pine Island. We go right in front of all these people's properties, and we end up back in Pine Island. But look at the power line. That is so dangerous. If it finishes falling down, it's gonna be a bad situation. So they need to get out and fix that right away. All right, let's get down to the beach. It's our beach, guys. It's an island, but we call it our beach. It's the only beach we have up this direction. Okay. All right, that power line's really scary, isn't it, Haley?
I know.
It's only gonna take a little bit more wind and them 2 poles are gonna be gone. Oh, there's the motorcycle dude. Look at him just flying around that truck. Oh my God. This is the corner you almost crashed. Look at that big, that's new. That building there is new. Oh wow. Yeah, I would love to own a house down here. You'd have to be rich to own a house down here. I don't see no damage, you know, unless they cut out early in the morning and cleaned it up. I see no damage. Oh, that is so cool. Did you see? See that? It was a canoe holding the mailboxes and it had a skeleton guy sitting in it.
Oh.
He was like in the canoe. Yeah, I don't see any damage, so they must have been spared. Pine Island has properties for sale, guys. Look them up and see how much they are. They're probably over $1 million. Oh, look, they're building a brand new one right there. A lot of these are new. These are rentals. You could rent on Pine Island. Oh, is it closed?
No, it's open.
All right, so it's Alfred A. What's that say? McKethan? Pine Island Park. Yeah, it's like that thing is closed. Oh, we're gonna find out. Is there any water, Haley?
Yes, there's water.
All the way up?
You can see it. Tide's back in. Holy crap.
Oh, is the tide back in?
Yeah.
Okay. So today when Tyler was looking at it, the tide was gone.
The water's here now.
I can see some of it. It's hard to see. Should I pull right here so we can eat?
If you want to.
You're probably done eating, aren't you? I'm not done eating. I haven't even started. Alright guys, there it is. It does look like the water's back in. Alright everyone, I'm going to eat. So I will see you when I'm done eating. I will see you. We're going to go out to the water. All right, guys, we are headed out to the ocean. Haley already took off. There's a fin in the water. We don't know if it's a shark or a dolphin. I'll see you out there. All right, everyone. The wind is blowing, so we are definitely going to have some wind in the camera. But you can see, I don't know if it's a dolphin. It probably is. Oh, it's right there. I bet it is a dolphin. Oh, it's chilly out here. It is a dolphin. We're going to get out here and I'll set you guys up. Where is it? This is where I kayaked with the dolphins before. I zoomed in. He's right out here somewhere. Where is it? See it now. Oh, look at the kites. The kids are flying kites. There it is, right there. There it is. You guys see it? It's a dolphin. Aww. It's so cool. Haley spotted that from in the car. There it is. Usually there's a couple of them. But this morning the tide was so far out, people were walking way out there. Oh, it's chilly out here. Where'd he go? There it is. It's going back Haley's way. That's so crazy that you spotted it all the way from in the car. So it was a dolphin though, at least it wasn't a shark. Guys, Tyler caught a shark out here one time. There's another one way over there.
Yeah.
I gotta go get my jacket out of the car, I'm cold. And then we'll walk up that way, okay? Alright everyone, I had to put that one way out there. I had to get on a jacket. Hey, zoom in. Maybe it's already zoomed in. It's hard to hold the camera steady. Yes, it was already zoomed in. Haley said there was another one down this way. Want to walk up this way? The day after the storm, guys. Day after hurricane. There was another one up here. This is where you watch the sunset. The sunset's over there. It's gorgeous. Almost every time I brought you down here, right when it goes to set, somebody steps right in front of my camera. I need to set my camera up in the ocean. Or even like right here, I don't think anybody can step in front of the camera right here. Maybe I should do it from this section. They would probably be walking along here. That's where the sun sets. This is the east coast. This is the west coast. We're on the west coast of Florida. Where's the other one at, Haley? Do you remember? You know where it was? Oh, it went that way?
No, there was one over there.
Oh. It's chilly. Aren't you cold? A little bit. Let's go check out this side. Right sometimes the water comes all the way up here. So it's still out. Oh yeah, it's out a lot down here. This morning you could walk out past that second sign, not this thing, but that second sign. People were walking out there, seeing it. The camera's over there on that post. So if you look it up, you can find the camera for Pine Island. So the tide's still coming back in. Remember the one time I come out here and there was all them birds? Look at the birds now, there's only a few. It's funny that they all stick together. Hopefully there's not too much wind in this video for you guys. I am using my cell phone. Tide's trying to come back in. See, it comes way up here. Where the water's supposed to be. The water goes all the way up to the mall there. Sometimes it's all the way against it. When we used to kayak, where I told you that we cut through, we come around up there, and then we would come down and come across all these houses and end up right here. Well, or we would go all the way around and go back to where we were on the other side. Sometimes we ended up here and we just carried the kayaks over. But if you're looking at the camera right now, you would see me standing here. Look at swimming. I know. Chase them. Run up to them. Run up to them.
No, every time I've done that, I've heard.
I'm not yelling at you.
No, not you.
Are you going out in there? Did you have shoes on? Is it cold? Oh. Where's your shoes? In the car? Oh, okay. Want to go wave to the camera for people watching it right now?
What?
The camera's right over there.
Where?
Right there on that post.
Oh, is it?
Yep. I don't see any dolphins on this side. Remember how we kayaked all the way through here? Oh my, that wind is probably killing this video. You're cold, you're gonna keep you warm. Keep you warm. Keep my baby girl warm. There's the camera on that post right there. This is the one this morning Tyler was showing us, and it showed people walking way out there. Look, there's somebody down there. Are they in the water? They're moving awfully fast. Are you sure?
Yeah, they're on the sand. It is freezing.
I know. No, you're not. All right, guys. I guess we're getting out of here. It's chilly. It's really cold. What is it? Tyler wants an iced coffee. So I gotta go to Dunkin' too. She wants McDonald's. She wants McDonald's. Something mocha. Runway mocha. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed our video. I love you. Peace. Say bye, Haley. Alright everyone, we had to stop back by Chick-fil-A. We forgot about that. To see if we can, to make sure the kitty got his food. Haley wants to take the kitty to Aunt Shirley.
Haley wants to take the kitty, period.
Alright, well we ain't keeping the kitty.
Graham won't let Haley take the
There's a car there.
I see that.
I don't see no kitty.
Get a little closer and we'll see if he got into any of the food.
Get a little closer. Are you sure he went up under there?
Yeah, I saw him crawl up under there.
still where it was.
Yeah. So is the other one.
So is the other one? So maybe he didn't go up under there. Maybe there's a tunnel.
I can't move right now.
Alright, I'm gonna get out and look.
My cramps are so bad.
Oh goodness. Oh, he didn't even come out at all. So I wonder where he is. He didn't touch the food at all. There's ants, Haley. There's ants all over it. Is that ants? He probably won't touch that food. I bet you he took off that way. You know what? I bet you he took off that way and didn't go up under there. He didn't eat it. Well, that sucks. Kitty, 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 kitty. What if he went around this way and went all the way down there? He could be down by the bank by now. Or he could be gone. Kitty, 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 kitty. Well, I doubt he's going to eat that one thing of food because there was ants in the one. Kitty, kitty. Maybe I should move it away. Or maybe I should just leave it. Haley. Oh, look at all the sand on my floor. There was ants in the one. Like big ants. So he's not going to eat it then, is he? Oh, it's so sad. All right, well, we didn't get the cat.